Welcome to beautiful Bend, Oregon.
And tomorrow we are going to hike South Sister.
South Sister is an 11.2 mile round trip hike. Make sure to fill out a wilderness permit at the trailhead before heading up the mountain.
If I had to guess, we've probably hiked about a mile so far. It's been very steep. We finally hit this little flat spot here. Looking good so far. We made our way out of the forested area and now we can see the top of South Sisters. Getting closer to the summit, but it's really hard work. It's pretty soft ground, straight up, so it's pretty slow going, but hopefully reach the peak very soon. We're heading back down. I'm going to put the camera away and focus on not falling to my death. So we'll see you guys at the bottom.